How to make coffee scarf for face at home is the topic of today's video. So if you want to know, then keep on watching. For making this scarf, you need rice powder and coffee powder. You can use any kind of coffee powder you have at your home. So for making this scarf, here I am taking a clean bowl. Into it I am taking 1 teaspoon rice powder. Rice powder has been used for centuries by women of the Asian continent to enhance beauty. This is because rice has exceptional properties that include anti-aging effects, absorption of excess sebum, anti-inflammatory properties, natural whitening of the skin, and reduce sunburns. Then you have to take 1 teaspoon coffee powder. Coffee is best exfoliates for skin. Meanwhile, it is also very helpful to boost blood flow, which is very valuable for our skin. So the ratio should be 1:1. If you have take 1 teaspoon rice powder, you have to take 1 teaspoon coffee powder. Then for mixing it, you need honey, 1 teaspoon or more. To make a thick paste, honey tightens the skin cells and gives an always healthy glowing skin. And now you have to mix it well. If you need, you can add distilled water into it. And if you have dry skin, instead of honey you can use olive oil. This scarf containing coffee, rice powder, honey for a face is best for getting a glowing and smooth skin. This is 100% herbal face mask for all skin type, but if you are making this for the first time, do a patch test. Now how to use it. Clean your face. You can use it on your face, body, neck, lip as you want. So before applying it, clean your face with a cleanser. Then apply it all over your face, massage it a little bit, then keep it for good 15 to 20 minutes. And after it dry, just wash it off. Then you can apply ice cube or toner, whichever you have. Then apply the best moisturizer on your face. So the question is how often you can use this face pack or scarf. At least once in a week. So this is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Share this with your friends. Meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay home, stay safe.